Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it is Saturday the 28th of November 2020, and this is the weekly analysis for spot gold and dollar yen for the first week of December. And as you can see, the spot gold has been dropping lower, retracing lower, and that's also together with the US dollar, which has been also weakening, while the stock market has been rising. So funds have been shifted over to go on to risk on mode on the stock markets, with the Dow 30 making a new record last week. Let's take a look at spot gold. And after falling straight away from the first day, from Monday, it already dropped below the support at the 1850 to reach the 1800 level on a Tuesday, or just above, slightly above the 1800 level, and a couple more days of consolidation, which was fairly quiet anyway during the pre-holiday trading for Thanksgiving, and suddenly on Friday it fell further. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. So this was right in the evening from 7 p.m. 7 to 11 p.m. to the second to last or the start of the US session on the Friday, and after that it just pulled back slightly, but it has dropped below the daily 200 EMA, and if we just drag down a bit further, this break opens up potential target next week of the 1750 level, right at the 100 pip level of a bullish move, all the way back from, let's just move back to check when it was, all the way from June this year. So it looks likely that it's going to break down to that level. And on the weekly time frame, it's also the weekly 55 EMA that's coming up. So right to the 1750 level. So we need to watch that if that's going to break further. And if it does break further next week, it could continue all the way down to the next round figure to 1700. But there could be a pullback first for the start of the week. There could be a pullback to retest what the break off was at 1800 before could see a continuation move. So let's see how that forms. But this was likely just a bear flag here. Before that sudden move late Friday. All right. There are quite a number of highlights for this week. There's the ISM manufacturing and services PMIs on Tuesday and Thursday, and also the US Fed Chair Powell is giving his testimony for a couple of days, followed by the key non-farm payroll report on Friday. So those are the key ones to watch out for that will impact the US dollar. So let's also take a quick look at the US dollar index. And after a slightly positive move on Monday due to better than expected flash manufacturing and services PMIs figures on the Monday, it tried to recover, but then it could not last, and following that for the next 4 days it fell right to the swing low. So now it's also at a key support level, and if we let's take a look further below on the switch to a weekly time frame. If we take the fib extension of this reversal move, and 138 fib is at the 90.56 area, and that could if this support breaks, that could lead to a key target for that, and also 162 fib just near the 90, just below the 90 level. So that's going to be a key level to watch out for. So very important level to watch out for next week for US dollar index, and as well as the spot gold levels. So it's already went down to just below 1775. We're looking for 1750 next. Okay, let's switch over to dollar yen. And after a strong recovery on the Monday, it paused and consolidated with a long-legged doji, then another almost a doji, smaller doji, a small spinning top, and drifted lower towards the end of the week to find support at the 104 round figure. And we'll see if this coming week whether it's able to recover somewhat. But for now, it's also looking as if it's just going to consolidate. So it needs to find support at the 104 so that it can attempt to climb up higher towards 105, and the daily 55 EMA is also dipping lower, so that's going to be a dynamic resistance that you may face. Right, but if it does not climb up higher, then it could fall back and consolidate in this zone for the week, but there will be some key news to watch out for, with the non-farm payroll being the key one on Friday. Alright, so a lot of key levels to watch out for in the US dollar index, and how that will affect the spot gold and dollar yen. Meanwhile, stay safe and have a good trading week, and cheers for now.